back. Oh, that didn't sound good. Good morning. Welcome back to Tripping with Mitch. Just got some groceries in Prince Rupert and we're going to be heading towards Terrace today and north from there. The weather seems to be holding for right now. I waited just long enough for the rain to stop. So let's get on the road. Finally! After fiddling around forever. Lake, 11K up this road. Give it a whirl. Much easier than the last time. Woo. Got some gifts. Alright, I thought it was going to be a road that was going to take me up to Maroon Lake, but we're just at a trailhead, so it's still pretty early, otherwise I could camp here. It's a nice spot. But we'll continue on. Not too much farther down the road is the Niska lava bed, so hopefully we'll get in a little hike there. And hopefully I won't dump the bike going down this hill. Really sucks. I can't get up to the lava fields. All my best laid plans today are falling apart. Oh, that one hurt. Smashed my thigh. And I'm down a steep embankment. I don't think I'll be able to do this on my own, but back up the slope. Well, I got these guys with the truck. Unfortunately, it's not on video to pull the bike out. We just attached 2 straps to it and pulled it out. Still runs. I'll have to do some damage control and see where, if anything is amiss. I know one of the boxes is a bit ripped off. We'll fix it. I am getting beat up. My thigh is killing me. I'm going to be hobbling around for a few days for sure. Looks like a pretty good bend on that box. I had to fix it with some washers, but I'll just bend that back. There's a campground not too far from here, so I think I'll stop in there and hopefully get a spot and repair myself. Well, that was fun. Let's see if we can get out of here without tipping over again. Looks like there's more damage than I thought. Looks like my handlebars are crooked too. I think it was my thigh that bent them. Hopefully it's just the handlebars, not the fork. So because of the bent handlebars, I'm riding with one short arm and one long arm. That was my first COVID checkpoint. Well, the day was a bit of a disaster. Dumped the bike twice. It's nice and crooked. Can't really see, but the handlebars are crooked too. I'll probably need a new set of handlebars. You can't see anything on the thigh yet, but I suspect by tomorrow I'm gonna have a massive bruise. It is killing me. Just took some ibuprofen. I'm all set up. I'm gonna get a fire going, walk around, and I'm the only person in this campsite as of now. So it'll be a lonely night. All right, I got the fire going. Got a little line even to try and dry some stuff. And that's it for tonight. I'm gonna eat and pretty much go to bed. And we'll check on that bruise in the morning. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to Trippin' with Mitch.